We are here with Nancy. How you doing, Nancy?
Doing good. How about you?
Thank you. Nancy attended our Fill HR Up for strategies to fill up your empty tank at the wellness stage here at SHRM 24, which is an amazing conference, right? It was really good.
It's incredible.
Yeah. Isn't it amazing?
Overwhelming a little bit.
Yeah,
so much information
26,000 people. No. When I came here the other day, it was like a river of people. I felt like I was in an ocean. My goodness. So you attended the session, Fill her Up, 4 strategies to fill your empty tank. Tell us what you do.
I am the Vice President of Human Resource for Tailwind Hospitality.
Okay.
We're in airports,
okay.
So we have 46 locations,
okay.
And we're in multiple states.
Okay.
We're everything from neck pillows to full sit-down restaurants.
Okay.
We partner with Starbucks, Which,
okay.
Smashburger.
Okay.
Depending on what the airport wants is
yes.
what we make happen.
Yeah, that make happen.
Yes,
okay, that's a pretty significant job. That's probably a lot of responsibility.
It is.
Yeah.
And hospitality is its own animal, especially post-COVID.
Yeah, it is. No
yes.
doubt about that. So what did you take from the session? What do you think of one of the key takeaways that you got from it? Yeah.
One of it, you said my favorite phrase is it's going to be okay.
It's going to be okay. Yep.
And it's not something that people think of now.
Nope.
Everybody is
full
in
of
their
anxiety and stress. And yep.
Yes, and everybody seems to be wrapped up in their own little world. So one of the biggest things was when you were talking about seeing other people and hearing them and telling them
being
it's going to be okay.
You're being present.
And the other thing was you were talking about as you're talking to them, build them up.
Yep.
And I think we get trapped in our own worlds of we've got to do this, we got to do that. And I know for me, I see what needs to happen.
Right.
And I don't realize, well, you know what? This person might not be getting fed. They might not be getting emotionally fed. So I need to build them up and empower them and make them a better person.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, Nancy. That's great leadership, and I appreciate that for you.
Thank you
for getting
much.
out there. So I wish you the best, and thank you for participating in the session.
Anytime.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too, yes.